Hey, what's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be doing the water resistant test on the Moto E5 Plus. So we're pretty much going to sit this in water for about 5 minutes and see if it survives. We're going to go ahead and check if it can charge after, if we can hear volume from it, and if we can hear volume from the headphone jack as well. And we might even test out the camera too. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and leave the screen on right here, and we're going to start pouring water inside of this little plastic Tupperware right here. So we have the water right here. Let's go and start pouring. And let's start right now. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright guys, so the phone has been in here for about 5 minutes straight, a little more than 5 minutes. Let's go ahead and dry it off. Alright guys, so we shook this out after the 5 minutes of being under the water. First thing I want to test out, camera. Okay, awesome. Still works perfectly. Awesome. Let's go ahead and get out of there. Next thing I really want to try out is these speakers. So let's go and try out the speaker real quick. Sounds good. Sounds as good as ever, honestly. Alright guys, so the next thing I want to go ahead and try out is the 3.5mm head jack inside this phone. We're going to go ahead and plug that in really quick, and we're going to turn on some non-copyright music. And so far, it is actually working perfectly. Let's go ahead and skip this. Turn it up all the way. It's working perfectly, and it actually is really, really loud. Awesome. So I'll put the headphones up. Sounds really, really good. Nice, so it still works. Awesome. Last thing I actually wanted to check out is the micro USB port. Now let's go ahead and plug this in, see if we can still get charging. Awesome, and we are now charging, and as you guys see right there, we are actually turbocharging. So turbo power is connected right there, and we are charging. Awesome. So if you guys do drop this in the water, you should probably be good. You know, if you drop it in the toilet or whatever, you should be good. I don't know about long periods of time, like 30 minutes to an hour, but for 5 minutes or just a quick spill or dropping it in a bucket of water or something like that, you should probably be good. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you guys are not a part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This is Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.